Right, I'm just showing this thing that I've made. Well, not all of it, but this is a £5 off eBay or Facebook monitor stand, you know, one with the swing arm, that I just use. I've got a couple of these that I just use the clamp and the arm, and that raises my, and a bench peg on top that I made, raises my come that way a bit, that bench peg up to a nice height. Then another £5 investment was one of these, it's a work zone, I can't see that, a work zone vice. Took the vice off the ball part of it, so I can, and that in there's a 6mm hole, and this is just a plate of 6mm aluminium, and the wood I'll describe in a minute, but it's got a counter bore of 10, and that then can, this whole thing can screw onto that bore head, giving me a like a positionable thing. Then I made this. This is was at one block of wood, about 50mm square, that I've drilled a 25mm hole through for the Foredom, the H.28. Then put two furniture inserts that go with two 6mm holes in there, allowing that to hold a H.28. Or much faster with the Allen key. I don't want to tighten that all the way yet. Now that's a 1-inch hole. Now I've been watching jade carving videos, and they use a long mandrel on a motor, and I thought, well, that's like the equivalent, but with a Foredom H.28 handpiece, which is the 18mm diameter handpiece. So I've made a sleeve for it so that it fits in here. That then can clamp to whatever I want to use, wherever I want to use it. My jewellery workbench or here. Tightens up. Just twist it that way a bit so you can see. And I'll just plug the Foredom in. Which I should have done first. Hang on. There we go. I remember now. Bear with me. I've got to take that off first because it stops the ball bearing coming out to snap the motor in. So I take that off. Attach my Foredom. Put that back on. Slide it right down. No, to there. Then slide back further than that. To somewhere like there. Then tighten that up. So it's a way of carving with both hands so that you can hold the workpiece in both hands rather than a handpiece in one hand and the Foredom in the other. And I was just practicing with it by starting to carve a little Celtic knot just to get the hang of what it does. Obviously it's going to take a bit of practice, but that long, you get about 5 inches from the tip to the back of the thing, so you can pass quite a big workpiece through there. And that's it really. It's just, if you watch those jade carving videos, you'll see what I mean. It's just if you're doing a sphere especially, or something like that rounded, it makes it a lot easier to control your work and not get run-ons. On square pieces you've got to avoid those far corners, so you'd have to switch this round and come at it the other way. If this little thing here is in the way, the finger grip, I'm going to grind that off, because I've got 2 of these hand pieces. This one came free with a, I didn't expect to get this with a motor when I bought a second-hand motor. This came with it. So I don't mind grinding that one off, because I've still got another one. Okay, so I'll carry on with that, and thanks for watching.